So now you have a good idea what is variable. It is time to move to conditionals. Conditionals in general, we are directing how the code will act. So if I have this value, do something. If I don't, or I have different value, give me something different, like different out. Or if my input is this value, I don't want this input, I want to change it. Yeah, something like this. It's like just to check out if you have the value you want or no. Enough talking, let's go to the code. I like to comment, and it's actually good practice, at least for me. So I write what I want to do in human language, then change it to code. So now in this example, I wanted to print or show up, like if the person is single, print happy, otherwise print miserable. In my mind it will be like this. If John is single, I want my output to be happy, otherwise miserable. So, and in Python it's kinda easy, you can do that, but like if single, and this is new for you. In other languages you use the curly bracket, but in Python you use the indentation. So by indenting one tab or 4 spaces, I tell the interpreter this code like inside the if. So I wanted to print out happy. Else, which is like not the result I want, print miserable. Alright, so I don't need this one anymore. Clear here. Python is happy. But like if I change this one to false, you will print miserable. We can do another way. So if I control Z, it will change to true. We have the negation. I know it's like new, but it's nice. If not single, so in this way it's true, so not true is false. Yeah, if you didn't get it, it's okay, later we will talk about it. So now if I print something, it will do miserable. And of course we could use if this statement for everything. Like now I'm using it for the boolean, which is easy. I could use it with the numbers, of course, and strings. So we have equal equal if we have the same value, or bigger than or less, and of course is more or equal as well. And we have less or equal, duh. So let's do it with the age thing. Some people will get offended after using this stuff, so I'm going to just quick whip up the example here. We talk about the movies, it's much more natural thing. So now let's say we have a movie, we have the rating and if it's watched or no, which is nice. So now I want to do something like this. So I will tell him if the rating of the movie is more than 6, print it's a good movie, otherwise it sucks. Do I need to write this one? Yeah, of course, why not? So if the rating is more than 6, print nice, otherwise print it sucks. interpreter is angry on us because we have a variable here but we didn't define it, so we delete this one and we have rating now, and I want it more than 6, so something like this, rating more than 6, print nice movie. Other than that, print it sucks. Let's give it a run, finger crossed. Okay, but like, what if we have more than condition to check? We could use 2 different things here in the if line, such as we have and. So if both of the things I want to check out, like I have, let's say, if x and y, both of them are right or true, okay, then print it, otherwise no, just go. And we have or, of course, so if x or y, one of them is right, it's okay, you can go, you don't have to be both of them. It's like the gates in the was it in mechanic or physics, something like this, we talk this stuff. Alright then, so I wanna check if the movie is rating more than 6 and not watched, I didn't see it, I could see you should watch this movie, add it to the list, which will be function maybe later on, so we can do that, the list, not a list. Now new thing, if rating is more than 6 as well and watched, we print never mind. So what do you think now it will print? Okay, let's go now Python never mind. Why? Because it's checked the first one, this one is right and this is not watched, so I didn't see it, the movie, but I see it, so it's false. So true and false give us false at the end. Should we write this one? True and true, the result is true. True and false, the result is false, of course. For the or, one of them should be true in order for all of them to so true and true will give true, true and true or false will give true as well. So I don't write a lot of stuff here. Just that's this one, true or false give us true. Here it work for both of them. I didn't put this one in the cheat sheet, so it's nice to get. Anyhow, if I change this one to false, clear this, add it to the list. Okay, so these are the conditionals. Of course we need to cover more stuff, as I told you, I want to make this series kinda light, so you don't get scared. In the next episode we will check out for loops and lists, or array in other languages they call them. Alright then, bye bye.